Have you ever drilled a hole with a hole saw or just a drill bit and then realized you needed it just a little bit bigger and you don't have a bigger bit, but you need a bigger hole saw? And it's kind of hard to get this started without, something to guide you in the middle. It'll just kind of go crazy. So I've come up with a little solution. I will take a little board or another 2x4 and drill the hole size that I need. This might be tricky with one hand. So you drill the hole to the actual size you need, and then sorry, only got one hand here and no GoPro with me today. And just drill. Don't want to go too far because that screw's longer than we'll go through my metal. Put a couple screws in there. And then you take your hole saw. There you go. Now you got your bigger hole.